2 days after a bench of the Supreme Court passed strong remarks against the now former BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma, saying that she needed to apologize to India because of her statements that had set the country on fire, Justice JB Pardiwala, who was part of the bench, says that personal attacks on judges for their judgments lead to a dangerous scenario. He was delivering an address on the topic Vox Populi versus rule of the law at a symposium.
The rule of law. Social and digital media is nowadays primarily resorted to expressing personalized opinions more against the judges per se, rather than a constructive critical appraisal of their judgments. This is what is harming the judicial institution and lowering its dignity.
And Sukiti Dwivedi is following the story. She joins us now. Sukiti, both Justice Pardiwala and Justice Kant were targeted perhaps in an unprecedented manner on social media by users for their oral comments against Nupur Sharma. A quick response to that, really.
Well, yes, they were targeted on social media for the kind of comments that they made against Nupur Sharma. Many accused them of prejudicing the case so that, even if she tries and approach other courts in the country, they would have heard by then of the kind of observations that were made by these two judges. However, the sheer fact that Justice Pardiwala spoke at length today, not just about how these comments are wrong, but even sought the parliament of the country to then regulate the social media. So in a way, trying to seek a solution, trying to put a stop on this entire menace. That is what is significant. So already on one hand, we had those headlines being made because of the comments by these judges during that hearing, and to now add on top of that, clearly Justice Pardiwala seems to have had some cognizance of the kind of debates that ensued on social media post that hearing. And even though he did not mention any particular case, he did not name any individuals in his address today at that event, the fact that he spoke about all of these things and how they are harmful to the rule of law, how they will make it dangerous for judges to even give their judgments because they will think of the media perception rather than the laws that are involved in that particular case. So comments very, very significant at this point of time coming from Justice Pardiwala, who was part of that very crucial bench. Sarah.